Belair Renters and Personal Property Insurance Canada app. The pros, the cons. The Belair Renters and Personal Property Insurance Canada app is built to help renters manage both liability and personal property coverage from a single platform. Many assume it's just a policy viewer, but it also allows claims submission, premium payments, and real-time tracking. On the pros side, the app offers easy access to all policy details, including coverage limits, deductibles, and optional add-ons. Filing claims is simple. You can upload photos and supporting documents directly through the app, which speeds up the claims process. Premium payments are straightforward, with reminders and full billing history. Push notifications keep you informed about claim updates, policy changes, and upcoming payments. The app's biggest advantage is its convenience, consolidating renters and personal property insurance management in one place. On the cons side, offline use is limited as most features require an internet connection. Some users experience slower load times when reviewing older claims or policy documents. Advanced tools such as coverage calculators or multi-policy comparisons are not available, which may be a drawback for those seeking more in-depth management options. In conclusion, the Belair Renters and Personal Property Insurance Canada app is a reliable and user-friendly way to manage multiple insurance policies. While it lacks advanced planning tools, it excels in claims management, premium tracking, and real-time policy monitoring. For Canadian renters, this app provides simplicity, clarity, and peace of mind.